it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm here with another journal flip through. This one is an altered little golden book. It's Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It's so cute. It measures 6 by 8. It has a 2 3/4 inch spine, over 126 pages, sari silk closure with eyelets, and it has 3 signatures. Turned out really cute. Has lots of pockets, cards, tags, belly bands, flips. Here's a sari silk flip. Just adorable. The whole story is in here in order. Bookmark. And if this was one of your favorites growing up, you'll love this. There's a little collage snippet at the top, and I did a little bit of hand embroidery. Lots of different ruffles on the edges. Lots of journaling space. Here's a 3 pocket that holds cards and tags. Here's a little flip you can write on the back. And there's a journaling card inside. It's a CD case. I also did some wax seals. Here's a belly band. This book has coffee dyed paper in it, and this is actually avocado dyed to go with that pretty light pink. Really cute papers. Here's another snippet I did. Another 3 pockets. And I sewed all around every card and tag to give it that nice look. And actually, I said 3 pocket, it's 4 pockets. One I left empty. You can fill it. Still lots of space on the pages to do your own decorations. Here's a cute little flip. Lots of writing space inside. Two pocket tag holder. I'm sorry, a pocket that holds 2 tags or cards. And the third signature. I will list a link below. If you're interested in purchasing this journal, it will be listed in my Etsy shop. I would appreciate it if you enjoyed my channel. To subscribe, just hit the little button, the little bell, and subscribe. And then you will keep up to date on all of my upcoming videos and journals that I'll be making. Such a cute book. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Again, thank you for subscribing and joining me today. Thank you. Have a great day.